Hi, my name is Vicky and I'm a Diagnostic Application Specialist at Zoetis. As a Diagnostic Application Specialist, I provide customer support around the expanded Zoetis Diagnostic portfolio. From installing new VETSCAN instruments and providing training to the clinic staff to assisting with individual implementation in the clinic's processes. It's great working with the people that use our diagnostic instruments daily and helping make their job a little easier. As a veterinary nurse myself, I fully understand what it's like to be in that position. In-house diagnostics is adding many great advantages to clinics, both medically and commercially. Providing immediate results is key. I mean, when is it medically better to wait longer for a result? Being able to obtain results, diagnose and begin treatment with one visit will save valuable time for the veterinarian and the client. Plus, diagnostics is not only good practice, it is also good business and may represent a significant part of veterinary clinics' turnover. Together with your Zoetis account manager, we help your clinic to implement in-house diagnostics as a core part of your clinical repertoire and profit from Zoetis' comprehensive range of products and services.